Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we'll be going over the Tang Survival Kit. Here we have the rock that holds it in place. But we also have our Tang pack, which is pretty much like a Kool-Aid kit. It's got the main plastic container, and then the top here usually uses a measuring cup. Yeah, great little kit. It's nice and sealed, keeps all the moisture. Great little kit to throw in your pack or in your kayak or canoe or something like that. Or even your side-by-side. Right on top, we have some cordage, which is our 550 paracord. For water containment, we have two basic Ziploc bags. We also have some sealed tinder, which is some cotton balls. Two packs of mustard. It's a nice little boost out there. For cutting, we have our no-name pocket knife. It comes with a glass breaker and a seatbelt slicer as well. It's a very nice knife. Push these out together. Here we have the Light My Fire ferrocerium rod. I want to call them Mora for some reason. Oh, because Mora has that one knife with the Light My Fire ferro rod, the handle. Here we have the Star Flash signal mirror. Nice little micro mirror. We also have a little fishing kit. Save your line. You have your hooks. You also got some bobbers in there, some leads, as well as a little fake crawdad. We have a sheet of duct tape for gear repair, first aid, or even fire starting. We also have some UCO stormproof matches. We also have a magnification card, mostly for first aid and fire starting. And for first aid, we have a very basic kit. We got some little bandages here. We have some of our normal sized or moderately shaped or sized bandages. And we also have some antibiotic ointments, antibacterial ointments. Go with our cards. We have our survival card. This one's from SE. It's an 11-1. Cool little card. Just slide this back in there. Get your screwdriver, your bottle opener, can opener, knife, saw, hex drill, not drill, hex wrench. And you got your little ruler here, some other little wrenches down here. It's a great thing to have if you don't have a multi-tool, or your kit can't fit one. Another way of signaling, we have a signal whistle. And go along with gear repair, we have our sewing kit, just some sewing thread wrapped around some cardboard with a needle shoved through it. An additional way of fire starting, we have a mini Bic lighter, some duct tape around it so we can just rip off a strand and light it. Make sure the life of the lighter lasts way longer. Life of that lighter lasts way longer. It's a lot of L's right there. Here, I was going to say we have two water activated towelettes. Let's not make that mistake, especially when you're in the field. Here we have two water activated towelettes, mostly for hygiene, but you can also use it for first aid or water filtration. Here we have a single mint, just give you a little kick out there. Then for water purification, we have some tablets, a little vial. Also have some safety pins to go along with the gear repair, not first aid, sewing kit. Here we have our button compass for navigation. We also have some snare wire for additional cordage. And for cover, we have a Mylar emergency rescue blanket. These things are great for reflecting your heat back at you, marking trails, signaling for help, all that jazz. And we also have our container, which, like I said, is just a basic Kool-Aid style container. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you guys do differently. Always love hearing from you guys. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and me. Have a nice day, guys. Oh my goodness.